Imagine this, a robot that sees what needs to be done and gets it done. Zero programming, just tell it which grinding quality you want and start. Meet the EasyGrinder by Teqram. AI-powered, vision-guided, and fully autonomous. This isn't just automation, this is a revolution. Our AI-driven robots identify parts using advanced machine vision, effortlessly handling oxy-fuel, plasma, and laser-cut parts. It chisels away the slag, removes burrs with angle grinders, breaks edges with die grinders, chamfers holes, removes the heat-affected zone, removes protrusions, and can even do bevels. It consistently gives you a 2mm radius on the edges without getting tired. And of course, it can do all of this safely on both sides of the part using the integrated Easy Flipper. All of it with zero programming. Yes, it decides which gripper to use, automatically swaps grippers and tools, and just keeps working. Non-stop productivity. Slag removal, grinding, beveling, stamping, marking. The EasyGrinder masters it all. And it packs the power of up to 4 manual workers. No programmers needed. No lengthy setup times. Crush costs, boost safety, dominate quality. Teqram, vision-guided robots powered by AI. See more at teqram.com.